finally got our slider, our V1 slider built. Works fine. However, there is one major flaw. This is what was holding on the back end of my slider, and this is just a piece of scrap plastic. There is nothing special. It is about 7 or 8 mil thick and doesn't do the job. So we need to get on and design this new part. Okay, so designing this was actually really easy. All I had to do was grab the original motor mount and remove this indent here and remove the 2 screw holes. And very simply punch a 3mm hole straight through the middle. This is so that I can then bolt this to the underside of it. So instead of this being here, this will be like that. Make sense? Yeah. So we'll see you after that has finished printing. Okay, so we have our slider V2 built. It has the GT20 belts connected to the NEMA 17 stepper driver with LM8UU bearings following 8mm rails. This is a really cool setup. It works nicely for just sliding along. And I just need to create a mount so that I can put another NEMA 17 stepper driver on here, like that. I'm doing this so that when the camera is mounted on top of here, as this moves along, the camera can track. So there we have it. We have our V2 slider built. So that is going to be it for the episode. Next episode we are going to be mounting this motor. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see anything in the future, please comment down below.